are gathered here today to join Alex and Stephany in holy matrimony. With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
And pledge you my love, now and forever.
And pledge you my love, now and forever. Oh my God, wrong hand. Switched it. It's my first time.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
And pledge you my love, now and forever.
I pledge you my love, now and forever.
That's great. Everybody, by the power vested in me by the American Marriage Ministries in the great state of Maine, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
I don't have words to describe how happy we are to have you in the family. Not only the love you show Alex, the love you show me, Mark, Kathy, all the dogs, you gotta throw them in there. But it's just words can't describe it.
She found somebody who again reflects her loyalty and her love, but also who shares a love for Otto, for Ohio State football, for food. In a way that I think is really special. I love you guys both so much, and I'm so excited for the future that you guys have together.
So, you guys are probably thirsty. Let's raise our glass to the happy couple. Let's go, Buckeyes. OH!